Oh, my name is Winfred Daniel. We're Y&J Furniture Company, and I do pretty much a little of everything.
What do you enjoy about the work you've done for Y&J?
Oh, it's keeping me busy, exercising, and not only just your physical exercise, but your problem solving all day. So you have to think all the time, you know. Yeah. I don't have time to worry about I'm tired or I'm bored. Each piece of furniture, is different, and you have to treat it like that, like a person. Yeah.
Tell us more about that. What do you mean when you say that?
Or treat the furniture like a person. A person built that furniture. In the material that's in the furniture was a living thing. So I treat it like that. The quality of the materials that the furniture is made from, now that's changed quite a bit. We're going from wood to synthetics. So now you got to switch gears and figure out how to do this without completely ruining the piece. Yeah, and that's a hard job.
Do you
To
have
me, personally, with me, it's like uh, furniture that you just throw away when you're done with it. It's disposable furniture nowadays.
now it seems like it's cheaper to buy new than to repair sometimes. So we're excited to learn more about the specialty
Yes,
repair
yes,
industries.
yes. Mhm. Some pieces, yes, it's just better, just throw it away and buy another piece. Yeah. Synthetic wood, and you can't put in moisture on it. It'll swell and just become useless to you. So why keep it?
Could you walk us through the process of seeing a piece and stripping it?
Well, the first thing you do is check and see if it's synthetic material or wood, how it'll react to your chemicals that you're using to strip the furniture with. What type of paint that's on it or finish you want, I would rather say. If it's, say, paint, like you paint your house, you paint furniture. Now you got to switch gears and put in something else, a different type of stripping material to get that paint off. If it's a lacquer finish, yeah, you can use uh, remover. That's a chemical that I guess the only people know the content of that is the people that the industry people that create these materials to strip furniture with. You got a gel finish stripper, and you got a remover. Remover is like a liquid form, like water. But it's highly toxic to paint. And paint can't stand that stuff, so it just disappears, just crawl over me and die. Oh yeah, yeah, you got to be careful with it. And your senses will tell you when to run, when to take cover, whether to use your mask or uh, anything that can filter out the fumes that are coming into your body. And I just sit there and I just gently stroke it. Each stroke I take takes off a tiny layer of paint. And while the stripper is running over it, that loosens up the next layer. And I just keep rubbing. And I think about the good old days. Before I know it, the paint is gone. If you try to rush it, believe it or not, you got to come right back and do it over again, because you're going to mess it up. So you might as well take your time. Do it right the first time. You won't have a problem.